Hi guys, here's another Dyson DC54 ball I purchased. Got it for a tenner and picked it up locally. Seller said there's no power, so I'm going to have a look at that today. More like this is your problem. Here's a unit here. Like I said, I've collected it, and just get rid of these parts here because they won't be required at the moment. So first thing I'm going to do is pick the power cord and the plug, make sure there's no damage. I'm going to check it all the way to the end, and it's quite a long cord, so I'll just fast forward this bit. But I'm checking it right up to that red tape, that means it's finished. So just wind that back in. Glad to see the winder's working. And now I'm just going to plug it in, give it a try, see what happens. It says no power. Just plug it in, switch it on, and press the power switch. I can hear clicking, so the switch feels okay, but obviously it's not turned on. So next thing I'm going to do is just pop this fuse out and check it. And just get my multimeter on it for continuity. There should be a beep if this fuse is working, but it's not, it's blown. So it's just a case of disassemble the unit. There's more than likely there's a problem with the motor, and here you can see I'm just disassembling the ball section. That's the bottom cover, and inside here this is the motor housing which fits into the filter. And I'll just give you a close up here. These Dyson balls tend to collect a lot of hair inside here for some reason or another, as you can see. So I'll have to get it clean. And this is the motor housing assembly. Side view there. So I'm going to pop the motor out. Just 3 tabs on the motor housing. Yeah, that one pop, and I just pop this one up, and there you go. And that removes the cover for the motor housing. A lot of dust around that also. And just remove these 3 lugs that keep the motor central. And there's a motor there. Just going to take a picture of how the terminals are before I disconnect it. And it's just got 2 spade connectors with interlocks, which I'm just undoing here to free the motor. Just give you a close up. This is the motor housing, and you can see bits of carbon black inside, which is a bad sign, where you can see it burning. And here's the motor here. That's the commutator in the middle there. I'll just show you another angle. That's the commutator in the middle there. It's completely black, so there's obviously been some burning going on here with the brushes. And if I just turn the commutator, see it spinning there. That's made of copper. It's supposed to be nice and shiny, but there's obviously been some kind of arcing going on there, so more than likely the motor is burnt out. So I'm just going to take out one of these brushes, which are replaceable, and have a look. Just a matter of taking a screw out and pulling the brush free. There's 2, 1 on each side. So I'll just take one side out, and as you can see here, there's about 1 inch and so of carbon on it. These brushes look new, so someone's had a go repairing it. So obviously the motor is burnt out. So I've had a look on the internet. There's one for £69 average. That's for a DC54, the correct one. I found an alternative which I'm going to try, and that's for a DC20 Dyson, and until that arrives, thanks for watching and please subscribe.